Good day, matters. For today's video, atong i-discuss kung unsa ang buot pasabot sa concept na factor of prime number. So, last video, itagaan ta mog tips kung unsaon pag-learn sa math easily. Pero, naara gyud sa inyo ha kung inyo tong gamiton kay each one of us na among gyud iyang pamaagi no kung unsaon pag-learn sa math na dali. Okay. So, again, for today's video, atong i-discuss kung unsa ang buot pasabot sa factor o prime number. Okay. Remember always that factor and prime number can be used, especially if you're going to find the GCF or even the LCM of whole numbers. Okay. Are you ready? So, let's start. So, pag sinabing factor, okay, it is defined as a number that divides another number exactly with no remainder. So in short, zero ang remainder. Again, sinabing factor, number daw na siya na pwede makadivide sa another number nga walay remainder or zero ang remainder. Okay? So example, 2 is a factor of 6 because 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 or ang 6 divisible by 2. Zero ang remainder. Pwede pod mingon ta nga si 3 factor ni 6 kay tungod kung si 6 i-divide ni 3 ang answer pod kay 2. Again, pwede po ta makaingon nga si 3 factor ni 6 kay tungod si 6 ma-divide ni 3 and then 0 ang remainder. Okay? So actually, si 6 napay laing factors no aside kay 2 ug 3. So pwede ra ninyo i-list down kung sa matong possible factors ni 6. Sige. Let's say sa 6, what are the other factors of 6 other than 2 and 3? So we will write first 2 and 3 kay ating na-discuss naman sila. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Ano pa? Whole numbers na factors. So we also have 1 at saka 6. So these are the possible factors of 6 that are whole number. Okay? Sige. Another. Example 2. 5 is a factor of 10 because 10 divided by 5 is 2. Ibig sabihin yan, kung i-divide daw ninyo si 10 sa 5, 0 ang remainder. Which is, which has a quotient of 2. Okay, so pwede po tamo ingon, 2 is a factor of 10. Kasi nga, kung si 10, ato nang i-divide og 2, ang resulta, 5. Tama ba? Okay, tama. So therefore, we can say that 5 and 2 are factors of 10. Kay silang duha, pwede makadivide ni 5 tapos ang remainder kay 0. So sige, atong i-list pa ang possible factors ni 10 na whole numbers. So 10 we have, so atong i-write daan si 2 of 5. So 2, 5. What else? Correct. 1 at saka 10. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So ito lang yung whole numbers na factors ni 10. Wala nang iba. Okay? Sige. Another. Example 3. 4 is a factor of 12 because 12 divided by 4 is 3. So walang quotient or 0 ang, may quotient na 3 pero 0 ang remainder. Okay, we can also say that 3 is a factor of 12 because si 12 pwede ma-divide ni 3 and the quotient is equal to 4. Tama ba? Tama. So, karon atong i-list down ang other factors of 12 except kay 3 ug 4. Sige. Sa 12, we have, atong isulat una si 3 ug 4. So, 3 times 4, this is 12. Unsa pa man? Tama. 2 times 6, 12 pa rin yan. Ano pa? Correct. 1 times 12. Sige, meron pa bang dalawang whole numbers pag i-multiply natin 12 yung product? Ganun pa, wala na. Wala na. So therefore, the possible factors of 12 that are whole numbers are 3, 4, 2, 6, 1, and 12. Check. Okay, so nakuha na. So, another explanation, so pag sinabing factors, mauni sila ang duha ka whole numbers or like not only two whole numbers, pwede din namang more than two whole numbers or etc. These are numbers, pag ating i-multiply, magresulta siya or sila ng another number. So, yun yung factor. Say, 5 times 2, 10. So, 2 and 5 are the factors of 10, and 10 is said to be the product. Okay? Say, 1 times 2 times 3. So, 1 times 2, 2 times 3, 6. So, therefore, 1, 2, and 3 are factors of 6 based sa ganyang example, and then 6 is said to be the product. Okay? So, I hope that naka-learn na mo about factors. Kaya as I said earlier, magamit ni siya, especially if you are going to find the GCF and LCM of whole numbers. Okay, next. Proceed tayo sa prime number. So, pag sinabing prime number, it is a number that has only two factors, okay? One and itself. So, ang prime number dito matters is mag-focus lang tayo still the same sa factor na whole, ha? Whole prime number. So, again, pag sinabing prime number, it is a number that has two factors only. One and itself. Okay, example, 2. 2 is a prime number because it has only two factors, one and itself. So we have this solution. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Meron pa bang ibang whole numbers? Pag i-multiply natin 2 ang product, di ba wala na? Only 1 and 2 lang talaga. So therefore, we can say that 2 is a prime number. Basta lahat ng numbers matters na dalawang factors lang, then we can call that number or those numbers as prime number. Okay? Sige. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, or ang gagawin nyo is that I want you to memorize the prime numbers from 1 to 100 kasi nga, magamit ni siya kung pangitaon ninyo ang GCF o LCM sa whole numbers, which will be the next topic to be discussed. Okay? So, ito na yung mga prime numbers from 1 to 100. So, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So, again ha, i-memorize ani sila kay para sa next nga topic, dili mo maglisod og sagot kay kaning prime number prerequisite ni siya para sa next lesson. Okay? So matters kung naganahan na mo ani nga video, i-like ninyo unya i-share sa uban para sa daghang tag matabangan unya pag-expect mo og another videos para sa atong math tutorial. God bless and goodbye.